What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And you can see the cell phone is in my hands and I have a set of 5 different games, and one application is there, the CPU Z, which I always use to check out the temperature and the battery percentage. And let me tell you a few of the specifications of this device. It is having in some regions it is having Snapdragon 845, and in other regions it is having the Exynos 9810, and the cell phone in my hand is having the Exynos 9810. The GPU used is Mali G72 and it is having 6 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the Plus model. Let us now open the CPU Z, and you can see the battery percentage is at 29% and the temperature of the device is 33.4 Celsius. So now we will be playing a set of different games. Now let's start with the pinout and let's play this game for a while. Actually I will be playing a set of casual games first, which are just 2 games. Usually I put 3 games, but now I am just shortening this video a bit and only playing 2 games, which is the pinout and the Temple Run 2. And after that I will be testing out the remaining battery and the temperature of the device, and I will be telling you guys about that. And now let's have a look at the performance of the game itself. You can see right now that this is just a casual game and it is not some intense graphic game, so you cannot find some high graphics in this game. It is just to show you that how this device can handle the games. Actually I will be testing it for almost 15 to 20 minutes, and I will be checking out if this device gets heated up or not, and how well it performs and how much it affects the battery and the temperature of the battery itself. And you can see right now this game is just going smooth and perfect. There is no lag, everything is perfect. The frame rate is just awesome. So I will play this game for a while, and after that I will be telling you about few of the things which I usually notice while doing these gameplays. Pinout has ended. Now let's play the Temple Run 2, and we will be doing this gameplay for a short period of time, for almost 1.5 minutes, and after that I will be analyzing every single detail of the temperature of the device and the battery percentage, and I will be giving you the report that is it heating the device itself or not. Actually these are just 2 casual games. The first one is just played for almost 1.5 minutes, and the second one will also be played for that time period too. These casual games will not be affecting the device that much, but after that I will be playing 3 heavier games, and those games which actually let us know that how this device performs in the different gaming conditions. So guys, 2 of our casual games have ended, and you can see the battery level is at 27% and the temperature of this device is 33.7 Celsius. Though there is not a big difference from the initial temperature, and the battery level has only dropped for 2 cells. So we have 27% battery left, and we are playing the third game, which is the Need for Speed, and this one is actually a heavier game and the graphics are intense, so there may be some kind of variation between the temperature and the battery drop while playing this game. Actually actually this will be played for not a big time period, only a shorter period of time will be played onto this game, and I do not expect some big changes, but there will be some changes like heating of the device itself. I will be telling you about that, so keep watching this video for letting you know about all the details of this gameplay. And this gameplay has also ended, and you can see the temperature of the device is at 34.7 Celsius, and the level of the battery is at 26%, so only 1% of the battery is dropped. And now we are on to our fourth game, which is Asphalt 8, and this one is actually a very heavy game, and there are very intense graphics, and I will be highly commenting on this game. Actually, I have played this game onto many devices, and many devices have failed to play this game well, and the iPhone X, when I played that game on iPhone X, it was just great experience playing this game on that device. And recently when I posted the video of Samsung Galaxy S8, it was not up to the mark in my gameplay, but now on S9 Plus you can see it is just so beautiful experience. It is a similar experience as I am having on the iPhone X. The frame rate, everything is just smooth, perfect and awesome. You can see it is just top-notch experience playing this game onto this device. So this time Samsung has done a great job by keeping the hardware just awesome to play such heavier games very well. You can see the graphics are intense and they are clearly showing their mark, and everything is just smooth and perfect. So let this gameplay also end, and after that I will be analyzing the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. And let me tell you here that the device itself is on the back, physically is not heating, so the battery is actually attaining a temperature of only 1 Celsius up till the 3 games, and we are on to the 4th game, and let's see what happens. And physically the device is not heating that much. It is as it was previously when I just started the gameplay. So let this gameplay finish, and I will be telling you the scores at the end. So guys, this gameplay has also ended, and now let's check out the battery level and the temperature. And you can see the temperature is at 33.8 and the battery level has only dropped to 25 Celsius, which is just 1%, and the temperature has actually come down. So that is just good to know that when we are playing games, the temperature is not much affected. The battery itself is keeping itself cold, so that's very great to see about this device. And physically the device is also cold, the device is not heating up. And we are on to the final game, which is the Modern Combat 5, and this game has some intense graphics, and I will be interested to see the performance of this game too on this device. And right now everything is just awesome. You can see how well this game is being played. The frame rate, everything is just going smooth and perfect. I am not feeling any kind of lag while playing this game, and It is just a great experience, and the graphics are just top notch. The Samsung display is just awesome for giving you the best of the graphics, and you can see how great this game is, showing its quality when it is played on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It is just exciting to see that how great the experience is while playing this game onto this device. Actually, the Samsung has also come equivalent to iPhone X while giving you the gaming experience. They are just now competing in the gaming zone too with the Apple devices to give you the perfect gaming experience, and you can see how beautiful the experience is to play this game on this device. So let this gameplay finish, and this will be our final gameplay, and after that we will be analyzing the finalized data of all the games played on this device. So guys, this gameplay has also ended, and you can see the temperature of the device is again 33.6 and the battery has dropped to 23%, and there is total loss of 4% of the battery while playing 5 games for almost 15 minutes, and the temperature of the device is as we noticed it at the very beginning. So that's it guys, this was the gaming review of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.